Hello everyone, how are you doing? In this video I'll show you step by step to register and create an Airbnb account. To make things easier, I've left a link in the description of this video. The direct link for you to sign up. You can count on the help of Airbnb support also if you go to this link. I'll support you if you do. If you need it, if you want to talk, or if you have any questions, you can send me a message directly to me. Now, click on the link in the description. Once you have entered the link, click here below to fill out your application. Here you will enter your first and last name, as well as some personal data, such as your birth date, day, month and year. Below you will find the conditions. We agree, click here below to accept and continue. Here you can continue by clicking on the green button and create a new listing. If you want to create a registration to offer your home, you can now create a listing directly here, or you can click here to exit. Creating a listing is very easy. You just need to create an ad here. You're going to put your ad information. You're going to describe your space. Highlight it here and add more information. I'm going to click down here on this red button. Then click here. I'm going to note here it's a house like mine. If so, click next. I'm going to note here that it's an accommodation place. I'm going to put my introduction here. I'm going to put the address of my house here. I'm going to confirm my address. Click below to continue. I'm going to put here some basic information about the accommodation, so you can choose all the information here. Of your accommodation, what's in your accommodation. I'm going to click down here to ahead. Click on your highlighted accommodation. Click below to continue. And you'll put what's in your accommodation. If there's Wi-Fi, if there's TV, you can list that. Exactly what's there, then enter all the information correctly. So, I'm going to click. Here you can add photos of your accommodation. Description of your accommodation. Just need to click here on Add Photos to add your photos. Computer. So I've already put my photos in here. I'm going to click down here to continue. Here you will enter all the information about your home, your accommodation. So, click down here to continue. Here you will put more details about your accommodation. Then, click Continue. You will enter a description of your accommodation, and then click here to continue. And now, simply click down here to continue. Here you can confirm bookings using it. Instant booking or approve each request. Here you will choose which way is best for you. I am going here to approve the requests. Click below to continue, and here you can choose. Any Airbnb guest is a guest with experience. In this case, Airbnb advises a guest. You're already a great guest. You are already a recognized guest. Here at Airbnb, it would be a great tip for you for your first stay to ask for a guest here. Have you tried it? Click below to continue. Continue. Enter the average cost of accommodation in your area. Here, you can add discounts to your stay. It's not compulsory. You can choose the best option for you by clicking here. Next, you'll add more information. Then you'll click here to continue. Here, you can review yours. Advertisement. You can preview your ad here. View the info. Next, click on it. Down here to continue. Congratulations, you created an account and your Airbnb listing. Whatever. Now that you've registered, don't forget to download the app from your app store. I'll click here on the Play Store, and then here on the top bar. I'll search for Airbnb and install the app. Subscribe to the channel to see more videos. Until next time.